If you go sightseeing in Philadelphia, you will want to visit Independence Hall. This rare and important building has become a symbol of the United States. Both the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution were signed here. Construction began in 1732. The project did not coast along, however. The government of Pennsylvania was often short of money. 21 years later, though, the planners did at last triumph, and the hall was completed. With its graceful tower topped by a delicate wooden steeple, the building was hard to imitate. For nearly 50 years, it served as the Pennsylvania State House. When you explore this building's history, you will remember two special years. In 1776, on July 4th, 56 members of the Second Continental Congress signed the Declaration of Independence. 11 years later, during the hot summer of 1787, another group of patriots wrote the Constitution.